All right, so I've got a spot here that's kind of crying out for something, but I don't think I want to put a butterfly in there because I'm going to show it to you. If I put a butterfly, it's just not going to look quite right. Even if I brought the yellow one up and kind of put it up in there, it's not going to look quite right. So what I am going to do is come back over here and find a leaf that I can bring to come downwards. All right? Makes just a little bit of difference having it there. I'm going to take a look to see what else I've got in the way of bits and pieces that I might want to add to that. Pardon me. Once again, I have to turn it towards me. No, it's not really all about me, but I do have to see what I am doing. I think I'm going to leave that, but I see a spot that this little guy will fit into nicely right there. And then we're going to do this one. I love these little curly cues. They're just kind of cute. So any of these little squigglies that you think, don't know what I'm going to do with, just save them into the end, because then you can pop them into places that they'll make sense then to you. So now that I've finished that, I'll take a look at this. There's all of this going on, but there's what's screaming out at you. I mean, really, look at this cake and think, what is screaming out at you? We put something here, it's nice, it's tall, it has no color right here. This whole section of this cake has no color right here. So then figure out which butterfly is going to add the most pop right there. All right, figure it out. We got yellow, yellow, yellows, we've got reds. I'm going with the red. I hope you would have made your choice. That's my choice. And so we're going to put that right up on top of there as well. A little bit will do it. And we're going to have it turn, and it's in flight. I'm going to reach around to try to hold that there. And dun da da dun. Will it hold? Will it hold? Yes, folks, it will hold. It's not going to be a problem. It just had to take a little bit. And the reason for that is because that leaf, that little blade of grass that's up there is thin. And so when you hit it with any kind of warmth, it melts it, and so it wants to flex. See how it flexes? So we want it to hold, and there we go. So I'm going to turn my cake back around. So one more time, I can take a look at it. How's it look from your side? Is there anywhere I forgot? Oh, my word. Take a look down here, folks. We have this all going on up here. We have nothing over here. Nothing over there. So let's take care of that. Let's grab this yellow one that's here, a little bit of glue onto the back of it, and let's put ourselves a butterfly right there. And we're going to drip. And the drips are okay. They look a little bit like dewdrops, so just leave them alone. If you were to pick that off of there, guess what? It's going to take your fondant with it, so just leave it be. Don't mess with it. Let me take a look around. How we doing? How we doing? All right, so that's the front of my cake. I'm not going to worry about all the way around this cake because it's well done. The board is finished all the way around. It's got the beautiful pearls going all the way around, and the design is kind of coming this way. And so we're going to leave it just like that. So welcome to the world of butterflies. This is what I do, butterflies in flight. There is a whole class that I do on it, but it's normally just a large piece. So this is the first time we're bringing it to you as a full cake. I hope you enjoy, and please play with Isomalt and enjoy working with it. It's a lot of fun.